Is it coming in? Oh, yeah, it's gone out. So what we've done, we've come down to the harbour front yard. We've been up Karl Johan's garden, got our chocolate, and it's now 3:30. How quickly does the time go by? So we've decided, because the three things that we want to do was the 1 hour cruise, which will cost us nothing because we've got our Oslo Pass. There's also the Fram Museum and the Kon-Tiki Museum. Now, I've done both of these in my short life. James here has never done them, but we would like to do the cruise because it's something we both have not done. So, time permitting, if we have time tomorrow, we might do the Fram Museum. But for now, why not take him on one of these little cruises? Fjord sightseeing. That's a 2 hour guide, so that's not what we want. We want those ones over there, don't we?
Yeah.
Do you think we just missed it?
Yeah.
So that's where it's sailing from. Let's go and do it. 1 hour on the little cruise. I might even make it a video all by itself, but I've no idea. I'm just stringing all the footage together, and then I'll see what I can cobble together.
Which one's which? What does it say?
We recommend you purchase tickets using the Router app or by visiting Sales Outlet. But we've got our tickets because we've got the Ashford. Ashford?
Oh, no, we're not in Ashford.
No. Unless it was that one. Who knows? That's a Router. On our trip on the ferry for 40 krona, which is apparently $4.
Yeah.
But we got it free with our pass. Facilities. That's it, really. You've got a drink, haven't you?
Yeah, I've got water.
There might be something upstairs. So no refreshments or anything, it's just like being on a bus, but you're on the water instead. So technically we get 1 hour on this electric ferry, which is foot passengers only, which looks like that. And it does a circuit, and you can see one in the distance there, of the islands in Oslo Fjord. So we are at liberty to just sit at our leisure and watch the world go by.
Signal ved alarmklokkene. Ved alarm skal du forholde deg rolig og avvente nærmere ordre fra mannskapet. Ved en nødsituasjon må alle ta på redningsvest. Ta vesten på som en jakke. Fest livsbeltet og stram til. Generalalarm signaliseres med 7 korte etterfulgt av et langt signal ved alarmklokkene. Ved alarm skal du forholde deg rolig og avvente neste ordre fra mannskapet.
That was good steering. This is really a strange place to take photographs, but when you're floating on the water, you see so many things that you don't normally get to view unless you're stood on a coastline. And yeah, I'm sat inside taking a few shots, but actually I've been outside as well. So Island Hop Ferry, 40 krona, $4 US, equivalent of £3.50. 1 hour on the ferry, fabulous. This is the most amazing public transport I think I've been on. What do you think it's like? Like if you're on a tram or a bus and it beeps, next stop is, and that's what it's telling us. But it's actually just hopping from island to island. Ding ding ding. Next stop, mind the gap. Don't fall in the water.
I've not even thought that it's public transport. I'm like, this is a cruise.
Yeah, it's lovely. We just need a band playing some music. And then it goes back. There's Big Doy. There's the Fram Museum. We will check the times because at least one of them I'd like to try and do tomorrow. Definitely worth doing if you just want to chill out for an hour and just relax and not have to worry about anything. We kind of timed it well, just doing it at the end of the day. Because I think if I'd done this at 1 o'clock when we got here, I wouldn't want it to do anything else. I said, oh, but I'm relaxed now. It's interesting that they've... Oh look, and there's a tram. You missed it.
Oh, damn it.
There'll be more trams up the top. Yeah, so they've got the Yoko Ono exhibition in the Nobel Peace Centre.